On DexScreener, you don't claim a token in the traditional sense, since it's a free data aggregator. However, you can still boost your token's visibility by listing it, updating its information with enhanced token info, or even taking over a project's profile through a community takeover. All of these options are available through paid services on the DexScreener marketplace. For most token creators, the simplest way to get your token listed is automatic indexing. To do this, just create a liquidity pool for your token on a supported DEX like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or others on networks such as Ethereum, BNB Chain, or Solana. Add liquidity and complete at least one transaction, and DexScreener will automatically index your token so it appears on the platform. That if you want to go a step further, you can use the enhanced token info feature. Go to the DexScreener marketplace, fill out the form with your token details, and pay the fee using crypto or card. Once processed, usually within a few minutes but up to 12 hours, this adds your token's description, social links, and official information directly to its page. For existing projects, there's also the community takeover option. Purchasing this service through the marketplace allows you to manage the community and token information on an already established profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more crypto walkthroughs, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more